Alright.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. I think so. No, wait, let me zoom in a little bit. Crap! While the camera's on in the meantime. Stop tapping your feet.
Why? Just because I'm sick doesn't mean I can't tap my feet.
Alright, we're recording, so.
I hope he's not on the video. Stop. Stop it. I forget how.
It's okay.
I'm gonna get it.
Alright.
And I want you to still hold me.
I'm gonna. That's all you have to do is you just take them and you give them to me. You give one to Mommy and one to Julesy. Come here, let me show you. You take the card, just like when people go trick-or-treating. You give the one heart to Mommy. Thank you. And one heart to Julesy. Yay! You did it! That's all you have to do. Can you do that for us? In her video. Oh, right. Do you have to pee?